Unraveling the mystery of clarification questions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our conversational English series. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial part of effective communication, clarification questions. They play a vital role in our daily conversations, helping us gain better understanding and avoid misunderstandings. Let's get started. Simply put, clarification questions are questions that we ask to get more information or clarify something we don't understand. They're tools we use when something isn't clear to us, or when we want to ensure we've fully grasped what someone else is saying. For example, if someone says, "I love visiting the coast," you might ask a clarification question like, "Which coast are you referring to?" This helps you understand the person's statement better and engage in a more meaningful conversation. Why do we need clarification questions? Well, they're crucial for a few reasons. Firstly, they help us ensure comprehension, making sure we're on the same page with the speaker. Secondly, they're key for building deeper understanding by encouraging more detailed explanations. Lastly, they promote active listening, showing the speaker that we are engaged and interested in what they're saying. Now, let's look at some examples of clarification questions. 1. Could you explain what you mean by? 2. When you said, did you mean? 3. Can you provide more details about? Remember, the goal is not to interrogate the other person but to seek a better understanding. When you're using clarification questions, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you're asking at the right time. It's best to ask your question when the speaker finishes their thought, to avoid interrupting them. Second, be polite. You can start your question with phrases like, "Excuse me, could you clarify?" or, "I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand." This way, you show respect for the speaker's thoughts and encourage them to provide more information. And that's it for today. We hope this video helped you understand clarification questions better. They're an indispensable tool in your English conversation toolkit, helping you connect better and understand more. Keep practicing using these questions in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural your conversations will become. Happy learning!